and subscribe.
Pick a side. Nah.
Oh my god, I changed. Oh my god.
Hey guys! It's Annabella Rose here. And today's shoutouts go to no one! Because no one ever comments on my videos. Woohoo! And if you clicked on this video, you'll definitely regret it. Because today we're making mac and cheese. So let's get started.
It's what's in up a belly. Get set.
Our ingredients / supplies are mac and cheese, milk, butter, a spoon, and a pan. Step is to fill your pan with water. Next step is to boil your water. Water boil too long, the water evaporates. Next, you open the pasta.
Like this.
Then take your cheese packet out. Next, you pour the pasta in.
And it bubbles.
Set your timer for 8 minutes. Next, you stir.
Ah!
That's what you don't do.
Now he's angry. Mac and cheese! Mac and cheese! Mac and cheese!
Some overcooked mac and cheese. Now you gotta pour the mac and cheese into the holy bowl. Now you pour the mac and cheese back into here. You add the milk and butter. Add the cheese. Balls. Now the real question is it yummier than ever? Let's try it.
It's actually not that bad.
Not that bad. I give it a 7 out of 10.
I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10.
So please like,
Comment,
and subscribe. Peace out, my dude.